Hey, B. I'm not talking. Make sure you liking, you commenting, and you subscribing. You hear me? Okay, good. Well, listen, I'm here because we're about to get into somebody cam. And I feel like this video may have been going viral for a little bit. It's not very long. It's a pretty short video that we're gonna get into, but it just took place like last month. All right. And I want us to go ahead and check it out because it appears that this cop may be a bit arrogant. And there's another video out there that I want to find where this cop ends up pulling over this guy. I saw like a quick clip of it. He pulls over this man that happens to be like some type of federal agent or something like that. And the cop didn't know, and he was being so much of an ass. And he thought the tag the man had tucked in his shirt was some type of like fake badge or something like that until he realized that it was like a real officer. I'm like a real agent or whatever. And girl, I gotta find that video. I don't know. They kind of blurred out faces though. So we may, if we were to watch it, we probably wouldn't see people's face in it because they blurred them out. I understand them blurring out the federal agent because I think he was like investigating some stuff. So I get that, but I feel like the officer's face should not be blurred out. I feel like he should be exposed in my personal. But I believe the federal agent was a black man, and the other guy, I don't know if he was like, I don't know if he could have been like Hispanic, white. I'm not sure what he was, but I don't believe he was black. But I'm looking for that video. I'm like, where is he? I gotta find it. But either way, we're about to go ahead and get into a different video. So make sure that you guys are coming in. You are liking the video, and let's get into it. All right.
719, dispatch approaching suspect. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, officer.
What is it you think you're doing here?
I'm dumping trash out.
That's illegal. This is private property. You can't be using this dumpster for your trash.
Oh, no, it's okay. My office is right here. It's not illegal. I have an office here, sir.
First of all, the way that he walks up and then he just asks, what do you think you're doing here? And she's, I'm just throwing stuff in the trash. You can't use this. Like, the way he hopped out and automatically assumed that she was wrong instead of asking more questions, like, I don't know. And even if it was a private private property or whatever, some part of me is like, so if she need to dump some shit out her car, let her dump it out. Damn, you act like she dumping a whole couch or something back there. Goodness gracious. Okay, you just thought somebody wanted to pull somebody over and mess with them. That's what it's giving.
Your office is here. You work, and you work here.
Correct. I'm an attorney at law. That's correct. Yes.
You're an attorney.
Yes, sir. Do you need a business card or anything?
Yeah,
Need
that.
services?
Yes, I need proof of this.
Would you like services or anything, or why do you need my business?
I would like to see proof that you're an attorney because this is private property. You can't be throwing trash out there. You're breaking the law.
Okay, I would love to show you my business card. That's no problem.
$10.19.
Here you go, sir. Linda Jones, attorney at law, located right at this office address.
I see the Linda Jones, but I don't see the address here.
Sir, if you flip the card over, please. Thank you.
That's fucking right. You don't see the address, but you ain't. He pissing me the fuck off, and we only 1 minute into the video, and I'm hot and fucking bothered for sure. You jump out automatically accusatory for real, for real. I don't see the address, and ain't even like common sense would tell you to look on both sides of the fucking card if you're looking for the proper information. It's really giving you just hopped out your car ready to fuck with somebody. Don't breathe.
Is there anything else I can help you with, sir? Because the sun is...
I still don't see the address.
Sir, here's the address here, please.
Do you even know the address that you pulled up on while you over here? Like, do you know the address? Or you just saw some shit and pulled over because you was bored today?
And that's my name. Is there anything else that you need to verify that, sir? I'm trying to cooperate here.
Ma'am, I'll ask the questions. You're breaking the law right now.
Actually,
ma'am, I'll ask the questions. You're breaking the law right now. So you said you needed to see her identification to get the information that you needed. A business card. You have the information. Is there anything else that you fucking want? Girl.
I'm an attorney. I know my rights, and I'm not breaking the law. As I stated, sir, I'm a tenant at this office location.
Okay, this card doesn't prove any of that. I need to see your ID.
You don't need to see my ID, sir. I just gave you my business card.
Ma'am, don't make this any more difficult than it has to be.
Address.
There's no need to be confrontational.
Nobody's being confrontational, sir. I'm not being confrontational.
Ma'am, you're being incredibly aggressive.
Wow.
All you're doing is escalating the situation, and there's no need for any of this.
I'm escalating the situation.
Correct. I've asked you
know
3
what?
times now. I need to
I
see
will
your
show
ID.
you my ID to verify the business card, okay? I'll do that for you. But I don't have to, okay? I want to make sure you know that. This is my name to verify the business card and the office address, sir. This is not illegal dumping, once again.
All right, but the address is different on your license than it is on the business card.
Because that's a business location, sir. That's not.
Bro, are you okay? I hope he got fired.
My home address.
Yeah, this whole thing just seems very suspicious. I'll be right back. I need to run this ID.
You don't need to run my ID, sir. You don't need to. I'm an attorney, like I said. That'll be against your jurisdiction if you're trying to run my driver's license.
Come on, ma'am.
Ma'am,
You and I both know that, or I can tell you that right now. That's illegal what you're doing.
You just illegally took your ID.
Because you have no reason to legally stop me. I gave you my ID. I did not have to, once again.
Ma'am, you're breaking the law. You're illegally dumping trash. Your addresses do not match up.
Yes, they do. They do match up.
Well, then you should have no problem with me running it then, if you are who you say you are.
You don't need to run my ID, sir. I told you, again, I'm a lawyer. This is my office address. I've proven that with my business card and my driver's license. This is not illegal. You have no reason to stop me.
Well, then you should have no reason for me to run your ID if you are so in fact a lawyer and this is your property. Because from where I stand, you're illegally dumping trash into a dumpster.
That's from where you stand?
If we continue with this, sir, you're going to get sued. Is that Officer I see? Badge 2322? You really want to continue this conversation with me? Know that I'm an attorney at home.
I mean, you haven't proven that you're an attorney.
With the business card saying attorney, that doesn't, and the ID matching, that doesn't do it for you? Or you want to keep going down this rabbit hole, officer?
Okay, ma'am, this could just be so simple. All you need to do is give me your ID and your business card back.
I'm not letting you run anything. I don't have to let you run anything. Maybe you need to go read into your law books.
Ma'am.
Instead of just the academy.
If you weren't breaking the law.
You're going to get sued, sir. This is harassment now because you're on my private property as a tenant.
1017.
And you're trying to make me, call whoever you need to call.
I know that's right.
Because you're wrong. You're absolutely wrong.
Oh,
I don't know if it's racism. I don't know what you have going on. A bad day. Ooh. I'm not sure, sir, but you need to go.
None of that is relevant to what's going on here.
It's very relevant because you're sitting here harassing me at my workplace while I'm taking out my trash where I pay for have my office space.
Okay, none of that has been proven. I do have an ongoing investigation right now that I just got called on.
My business card. I've given you my business card. I've showed you my ID and verified that's the name. This is my office. Would you like to come inside?
Okay, ma'am. I'm gonna let you off on a warning.
You have no choice but to let me off on a warning. Because you need a warning yourself. Keep it going.
I have an ongoing investigation I need to tend to.
I bet you do.
We're gonna leave this as a warning today.
That sounds great. That sounds great.
I want her to write him up. When I tell you, I want her to file a fucking complaint so bad. Let me pause that. I can just keep. Let me just slide over here because I just.
Hello, everyone.
I want her to file a complaint so bad. So bad. Oh, and she got the evidence to prove it because I feel like he was doing too damn much. You got the information that you needed. You didn't trust it because it looked suspicious to you. And I'm glad that he did not take it any further to physically harm her in any type of capacity. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that was a mess. I'm gonna let you off with a warning. You ain't got no motherfucking choice, and it really ain't no damn warning to me, baby, because like I said, I'm leaving work. This is my fucking office, period. Who the hell you think you is? Like, girl, I was here for her chewing him just a little piece thing. But y'all leave y'all thoughts and comments down below, child. Listen, she make me want to go ahead and look, pull out me some law books. Make sure I know my rights. But leave your thoughts below. I'll catch y'all in the next one, honey. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Tell him I preach to the choir. Stand with my feet to the fire. Give all the glory to God. Stand in the midst of these haters, I'm silent, nobody can stop me. Just gotta check in my notification, them numbers hit like it's a proxy. Cashed out at the ATM, and the ATL, they done made a gym. I've been kicking doors like the ATF, got them trying to